Hey, just wanted to do a real quick tutorial on how to add your Zoom link information in your Google Classroom. So if you go up to the upper gear in the upper right corner, there are 4 different choices you have. You can do it as your class description, your section, your room, or your subject. So I wouldn't really want those 4 words in parentheses. I just wrote them there so that when we go back to the preview, you can see which of those does which thing. So if I were to do it, I'd want to do my section. I'd want it really big right here. It wouldn't be a hyperlink, but it's nice and big where the students can just copy and then paste that as the URL. If you don't want it on your main topic screen like that, then you can actually hide it. So the subject would have the word subject and then your link, or the word room and then your link. And I apologize, it's not really a link. Or if it's a description, it would have nothing in front of it. So once again, I just wrote those in parentheses. You could see where they landed. If you do not have a subject, room, or description, this arrow isn't there. So don't look for it if you don't type anything into your settings. I'll show you quickly what it looks like from a student's perspective. So just like you had before, you just don't see that room ID code right there. And for a student, they would see the exact same information. There you go.